I've been looking forward to this day for a long time, and it's finally here.
So beautiful.
My very first apartment. I just want to give glory to God, because if it was not for him, I would not be here right now. God is so good, and I'm so thankful and happy. I've been looking forward to this since forever. I really have to be focused now and stay on this self-love journey and on this journey to grow spiritually, because that's really what it's all about. Like, this place is going to be my safe place, you know, my place where I can connect with God and I connect better with myself. And that's really what it is for me. Like, God is so good, and I don't want to brag or anything. Like, I'm not here to brag. I like seeing apartment tours and moving vlogs and stuff, so I figured, you know, I would like to film that for anybody who wants to watch my videos, because that's what I like to watch. Yeah, I'm excited. And I know this may not be like the best looking place, but it's perfect for me. It's perfect for my It's perfect for my first apartment. And I'm an aspiring interior designer. I'm going to make it look really good, okay? I have no words. God blew my mind. He has blown my mind this year. I'm going to school, car, my license, a new job, new apartment. Like, things are looking great, and God is really looking out. Like, shout out to God, because none of this would have happened if it wasn't for him. So he's 01. But I'm gonna stop blabbering because people are waiting for me. So I don't know how much of this is going to go in my YouTube video, but thanks for watching, and I will definitely be doing more videos now that I have my own space to record and everything. So yeah, slowly but surely we're getting there. All right, God bless you guys.